हेलो, वेलकम यू ऑल। आपका स्वागत है आज के एक नए वीडियो में। आज हम हाई एफिशिएंसी वाले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को ऑल पे सेट कर लीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। स्टेटमेंट 1, reproduction cannot be considered as defining property of living organism. Statement 2, there are many living organisms which do not reproduce. Example, mules, worker bees, etc. Option A, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Correct option A. Question 2, which of the following statement regarding the response of living organism to external stimuli is correct? Option A, the external environmental stimuli can be physical, chemical or biological. Option B, all organisms from the prokaryote to the most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental stimuli. Option C, consciousness and response to external stimuli is the defining property of all of living organism. Option D, all of these. Correct option D. Question 3, read the following statement and select the correct ones. Statement 1, increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin character of growth. Statement 2, metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in isolated cell-free system. Statement 3, response to stimuli is a defining property of living organism. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Correct option D. Question 4, read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1, each different kind of plant, animal or organism can be observed represent a species. Statement 2, the number of species that are known and described range between 170 to 180 million. Option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Correct option C. Question 5, read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1, the number and type of organism present on Earth refer to biodiversity. Statement 2, nomenclature is the standardized naming of living organism that is known by the same name all over the world. Option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Correct option A. Question 6, select the incorrect statement. Statement A, nomenclature or naming is only possible when the organism is described correctly by identification. Statement B, the scientific name ensure that each organism has only one name. Statement C, description of any organism should enable the people to arrive at the same name in any part of the world. Statement D, nomenclature ensure that same name has been used for any other known organism. Correct statement D. Question 7, which of the following statement regarding the universal rule of biological nomenclature is correct? Incorrect. Option A, biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. Statement B, the first word in a biological name represents the genus while the second component denotes the species. Statement C, both the words in a biological name when handwritten are separately underlined or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin. Statement D, the specific epithet start with a capital letter while the generic epithet start with a small letter. It can be illustrated with example of Mangifera indica. Correct option D. Question 8, read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1, the first word denoting the genus start with a small letter in binomial nomenclature. Statement 2, the specific epithet start with a capital letter in binomial nomenclature. Option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Correct option, option B. Question 9. Which of the following statement is not correct? Statement 1. Biodiversity is the occurrence of variety of life forms differing in morphology, anatomy, habitat and habits. Statement B. Systematic is the branch of biology that deals with cataloging plants, animals and other organisms into categories that can be named, remembered, compared and studied. Statement C. Classification is the branch of biology that deals with principle and procedure of identification and nomenclature of organisms. Statement D. Taxonomical studies help in identifying similarities and dissimilarities among the individual of the name kind of organisms as used as other kind of organism. Correct option, option C. Question 10. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Class includes related order. Statement 2. Order Primata includes monkey, gorilla and gibbon. Option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Correct option, option A. Question 11. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Each genus may have one or more than one specific epithet representing different organisms having morphological similarities. Statement 2. Lion, leopard and tiger are all species of the genus Panthera. Option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Correct option, option A. Question 12. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Wheat belong to division Gymnospermae. Statement 2. Wheat is a dicot. Option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Correct option, option B. Question 30. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Statement A. All animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to the kingdom Animalia. Statement B. As we go higher from species to kingdom, number of common characteristics goes on increasing. Statement C. Different classes comprising fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals together constitute the phylum Chordata. Statement D. Plant order Polymonoids include the families like Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae based on the vegetative and floral character. Correct option, option B. Question 40. Read the following statement. Statement P. The taxonomy hierarchy for Brassicaceae campestris can be written as Plantae to Phagmaceae to Angiospermae to Dicotyledone to Paratiles to Brassicaceae to Brassica to Campestris. Statement Q. Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are included under in the order Polymonoids. Statement R. Families Felidae and Canidae are included under the order Carnivora. Statement S. Bryophyta is a category while division is a taxon. Which of the following combination of above statement is correct? Option A. P and Q only. Option B. P, Q and R only. Correct option, option B. Question 15. Read the following statement given below and select the incorrect statement. Statement 1. Insect represent a group of organisms sharing common feature like 3 pairs of jointed legs. Statement 2. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individuals organisms with fundamental similarities as a kingdom. Statement 3. A multicellular organism grow by cell division. Statement 4. All organisms include those in the plant and animal kingdoms have species as the highest category. Option A. 1 and 2 are incorrect. Option B. 2 and 3 are incorrect. Option C. 2 and 4 are incorrect. Option D. 3 and 4 are incorrect. Correct option, option C. Question 16. Scenario. Imagine you are a researcher tasked with classifying new discoveries into relevant taxa. You stumble upon a mysterious organism that exhibits characteristics of both plants and animals. It has leaf-like structure but also shows locomotion. Based on the scenario, which statement will be most accurate in the context of taxonomy and systematics? Option A, you would have an easy time classifying the organism since it has observable characteristics. Option B, organism can only be classified into one taxa, either as a plant or as an animal, but not both. Option C, the scenario presents an opportunity to perhaps define a new taxa at a different level due to the unique combination of characteristics. Option D, because the earliest classification were based on uses, you would primarily focus on the organism potentially utility for food, clothing or shelter. Correct option C. Question 70. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct option. Statement A. In plant growth by cell division occurs continuously only in meristematic cell and that too for a specified period of time. Statement B. Living organisms are self-replicating, evolving and self-regulating interactive systems but are not capable of responding to external stimuli. Statement C. Nomenclature standardizes the naming of living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. Statement D. Classification is a single-step process. Correct option C. Question 18. Consider the following statement and select the correct set of statements from the option. Statement A. The correct, obvious and technically complicated feature are metabolism and consciousness. Statement B. The Datura, Petunia and Solanum are placed in the family Solanaceae. Statement C. Generally, families and orders are identified on the basis of aggregates of vegetative characters only. Statement D. Class Mammalia includes order like Primata and Carnivora. Option 1 B, C and D. Option 2 A, C and D. Option 3 B and D. Option 4 A, B, C and D. Correct option C. Statement B and D. Question 90. Unicellular organisms reproduce by cell division, whereas in multicellular organisms reproduction and growth are often mutually inclusive. Choose the correct answer from the following. Option A. The statement is true for unicellular organism but false for multicellular organism. Option B. The statement is true for both unicellular and multicellular organism. Option C. The statement is false for unicellular organism but true for multicellular organism. Option D. The statement is false for both unicellular and multicellular organism. Correct option A. Question 20. Assertion. Growth cannot be taken as defining property of living organism. Reason. Non-living object may exhibit intrinsic growth. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of both assertion. Option B. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. Option C. Assertion is true but the reason is false. Option D. Assertion is false but the reason is true. Correct option C. Assertion is true but the reason is false. आई होप आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। ये इस चैप्टर का लास्ट पार्ट था द लिविंग वर्ल्ड का। नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम जल्दी लाएंगे जिस चैप्टर का नाम होगा बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन। मिलते अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।